Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Fifth Third bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Fifth Third Bank Login. There on the top, click to Fifth Third Bank Login. Directly go to www.53.com. It will then take you to the official website of Fifth Third Bank. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Fifth Third Bank account. If you have forgot your login details, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Login. And if you are new to Fifth Third Bank, you can get help by clicking to Register. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.